हेलो प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, अब तक जो हमने पुस्तक पढ़ी है उसका आगे का भाग हम इस वीडियो के माध्यम से पढ़ेंगे, इसलिए ध्यानपूर्वक इस वीडियो को देखते रहिए। सो वी विल नो अबाउट these directions, these components in details. So now fill in the blanks. You are aware of the direction east, west and south. Now so we know there are four major directions, and these four major directions are divided into other four more important direction like north, south, east, west. So now north and south and east and west is also divided like northwest. This area is northwest, and northeast is this area. So here we can say in the northern area like this is the line, and this is the northern part, and this is the southern part. So in this way we will see that south, north. So we will always pronunciate these words first, like this is the west, so we will see this area as northwest, and this area is northeast. We will not say east north. Okay, so now same like here, this is southern part, so we will say it's a west and it's south, then this area is known as southwest, not west south. Okay, and this same as southeast, not east south. Okay, so this is a terminology, and you should always remember this word. You are aware of direction east, west, north, south. The sun rises in the east, and set in the west. Now stand facing the sun. Exactly behind you is the west. Now stand in the east, then exactly behind you is the west. So by this we can know, if we will stand here west, then opposite side of us will be east. So now there is a sign of N for north direction shown in the upper side of the every map. Thus if you will get one correct direction, you will come to know other direction as well. So now here we can see a sketch of a city. It's a sketch map. So now we will know about this by the drawing. I am a surgeon, a student. I am going to my uncle's house alone. I am sure I will reach there because I have a map to help me. With the help of map we can go anywhere. This is a surgeon and he is telling us. Okay बच्चों, हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. Do you know how vast our earth is? Do you know how vast is earth? So earth is very vast. Even though the earth is huge, any part of it can be drawn on paper by minimizing it using a scale. Suppose there is 1 kilometer distance between your village and your school. How can we draw and show such a great distance on the map? With the help of scale. Okay, scale means not a single scale. Okay, in your school you use the scale. It's not a scale, it's a paimana. It means an example or sample. So like 1 kilometer you will write like 1 kilometer you will draw 10 meters. So 10 meter means 1 kilometer. We will suppose it and we will consider it, then we can use the scale, so to understand and its depth. So now we scale down the distance. If we take the scale of 1 kilometer is equal to 100 meter, we will be able to show the exact distance between any two places. Like this, here is a map of a village. Okay, so now you have observed the scale of a map. By using a scale you can show the distance between your school and the huge water park and the huge water tank. If you are able to show this, you can Similarly, show the distance between your village or town and the district headquarters or taluka headquarters. For this, you use a string, scale, or paper. And these are some signs. You might have seen these signs somewhere. Draw below other signs from your surroundings. So, you see these signs like this religious? This is a flag, phone, STD booths, masjid, temple, etc. So you know that there are so many sites which may be natural or man-made. If you want to show these features in map, you must use some specific colors, shades, sketches, conventional sign and the lines. These conventional sign gives us a lot of information within the limit of a map. With them, we do not only draw the map every easily we do not we not only draw the map very easily but understand it also. You might have heard that the foreigners are able to travel in our country by using a map, even though they do not know our language, local directions. Thus, we can say the language of a map is common across the country. These signs or symbols, which are well known and understood by everyone, are also known as conventional sound, conventional signs. Find out the following conventional signs in your maps in a school with the help of your social science teacher. Okay, I tell you, this is the mountain. So if a sign like this will be a mountain, it will be top. If there are lines, such line, then it will be river. This is for road, this is for railway, and PO means post office. And if there is a direction, then we will show this is upward, then we will say this is a northern direction. And if it is down, then we will say it as a southern direction. Border, it will be a border of a state or a particular district. Yeah, here we will see state border, it will be darker. International border will be more darker. Scale, this will be the scale. Capital of nations, so we will have to find out it as a capital of nation, capital of state, and headquarter will be like this, and your town, your city will be like this, and police stations will be PS. Okay, so these are some conventional sign, and it describes us about various features. आप सभी का इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. थैंक्स एंड हैव ए गुड डे.